Hello, dear Sagittarius. Welcome back to my channel. And this is your last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're new to my channel, welcome and please subscribe. If you would like to know more about the personal readings, the rituals, or counseling sessions with me, please stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information on that. Your cards are already out, so let's dive in. First, we will start with your career. You've got the Master card and you've got the Emperor card. Wow. With the MasterCard here, I can guess a few fields that you might be working in. You can have your own business or job. You can be a student in university. The lines that I see are of service to the people, like a lot of people depend on you. You can be a doctor, artist, pilot, nurse, right? Teacher, medical field, like I already mentioned, even the shops, pharmaceuticals. So a lot of people are dependent upon you. A lot of people come to you for your advice. You can be some sort of consultant as well. People trust you. And I also see that this week you are doing a lot of charity for the needy, for the poor, for the animals. Whatever you are doing, you are in a very good energy. People have huge respect for you. People look up to you. You have that kind of aura. I also see that you can be getting a lot of promotion on you, or your work will be such this week that you will have a lot of authority and power. You will have a lot of decision making skills, and you will be running a team, you will be guiding the team, and you will be calling the shots. So definitely I do see you at a very high position, uh, and you will be very happy where you are. Also, if finances were a problem in the past, I do see financial stability coming into your life. Balance, work life balance probably is coming into your life, where you're not really giving a lot of number of hours like you used to. You're not exhausted. You're enjoying and happy in the place you are. So balance is coming back. Finances are looking very stable. Let's see what's happening in your love life. I've got the One of Spades and the One of Suns for you. Wow. So do you see, I see that you're very hopeful that your love life is about to change. I also very, I also see that you're very happy that there is a new beginning which is happening for you. So I do see a new relationship starting for you. I do see you getting married or engaged in a relationship, or if you were already married, I do see if you had problems in the past, that problems will go away. Problems will be resolved and a new fresh start to your relationship, your marriage will happen. If you were waiting on pregnancy news, that can also happen and your family will grow as well. So a lot of new beginnings are waiting for you. A lot of happiness is coming to you, and a lot of hope is coming to you. So I do see reconciliation is also happening because you're very hopeful that your life is going to change. You're not giving up on it. Even if you have been single for a while, I do see all of you, whether you are single, relationship, situationship, or married, your life is going to be changed. It's going to be beautiful. Better times are coming. New beginnings are happening in some way or the other. So if I see overall your week is going to be beautiful, it's a very lucky week for you guys. So do keep up the good work, keep working hard, and keep up the positive attitude towards your personal life as well. Also, if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what exactly is your situation right now. I will be reading all the comments and trying to reply to all of you. And if you still have any question on your mind, if you still have any doubts, you want clarification, you want specific questions to be answered which were not covered in this reading, you can always book a personal reading with me. I also have Oracle Love reading if you are in no contact, you want to channel your partner's feeling. I also do rituals, so if you want to remove blockages from your life or if you want to manifest a desire, I have two kinds of simple, easy, powerful rituals. I have packages available with me. So if you're single, I have a different package with you, which comes with a set of fixed questions and a free remedy. And I have a different package for people in love or looking for career. Lastly, I also take spiritual counseling sessions. So if you or any of your friend and family is in need of a therapy, need guidance, you cannot trust the people around you, or you're very ashamed that somebody will make fun of you, or your secrets will be revealed, or people will judge you, then you can come to me, share your burdens with me, be ready for a judgment free, laughter free reading where you can just feel light. And with the help of your angels, I will be giving you a free remedy here as well, to guide you, to help you, and to bring positivity back to your life. Okay, so to make any kind of booking, you can either email me at my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram, because here I'll only be meeting you weekly. There I'm posting every day on a daily basis about my prices, the discounts, the new services that I keep on launching, the rituals, when is the right time to do whatever, everything you will get from there. Okay, so do read all these details which are mentioned in my description box and my bio. It will be really helpful for you guys, and I look forward to meeting you again. Take care. Bye bye.